A VLAN or a virtual LAN is a logical grouping of devices that reside in the same broadcast domain. The devices in a given VLAN may reside anywhere in the physical switch network, and they will be able to communicate with each other as if they were on the same wire. A typical network may have several VLANs where the devices placed in each VLAN are determined by attributes such as device ownership or functions. For example, in this diagram, a company has several floors, and users in each department on each floor. Using VLAN, the employee of each department can be logically placed in the same layer 2 region. VLANs define broadcast domain in the layer 2 network. In a broadcast domain is the set of all devices that will receive the broadcast frame originating from any device within the domain. Traffic can't pass directly from one VLAN to another. Traffic cannot pass directly from one VLAN to another. So to interconnect to VLANs, you need a router or a layer 3 switch. On a physical switch, ports on a physical switch are typically configured to belong to a single VLAN, and these ports are commonly referred to as access ports. In order for traffic for a given VLAN to flow to a VLAN member on another switch, you have to use a trunk. A trunk is a connection between two physical switches. So in order to traffic for a given VLAN flow to VLAN member on other switch, you have to use a trunk. So what trunk is? Trunk is a connection between two physical switches that carry traffic for multiple VLANs from one switch to the other. And a trunk doesn't belong to a specific VLAN. Specifically, Cisco switches use the IEEE 802.1q trunking protocol to implement the trunking of multiple VLANs across a single connection between two switches. When Ethernet frames are placed to a trunk, they need additional information about the VLAN to which they belong. They get the information by using the 802.1q encapsulation header. 802.1q uses an internal tagging mechanism that insert a 4-byte tag field into the original Ethernet frame, which include the original VLAN number, and by default on a Cisco switch, all VLANs configured on the switches are carried over a trunk interface.